Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want to find the area of this circle sector. Formula for area sector, it's 1/2 r squared theta. R squared's given us 15. I'll go ahead and put that in. Theta has to be in radians and it's given in degrees. Theta, the angle is given us 20 degrees. Pi radians equal 180 degrees. So to convert 20 degrees to radians, you multiply by pi over 180. So that'd be 20 pi over 180, you divide by 20. So that's the same as pi ninths if I go ahead and simplify. So the angle's pi ninths. 15 squared is 225. So it's 225 pi over 2 times 9 is 18. You could divide the common 9. So it leaves you 25 pi over 2. Of course, the answer asked you to convert this to decimal, so you would have to type 25 pi over 2 and get a decimal out of this to put it into the computer. Hope this helps.